Hello all. Long time ago, a friend of mine gave me this iBook charger. It's quite dirty, and he also used some epoxy to fix it here on the connector because this connector is fragile and tend to break. So he did some fix here. This is hard epoxy, so it's very difficult to get it out. So what I'm going to try is going to submerge this in alcohol and see if I can fix it after this has taken out all of the alcohol. So let's try it and see if it works. So I'm going to put a glass here, put this inside the glass and fill it with alcohol. I may not have enough alcohol. It's a lot. Come on, cover it. Well, that's enough alcohol. Let's press it down here and let it work. See if the epoxy becomes more brittle or just dissolve on the alcohol. It has been already an hour. Let's see if this has gotten it better. Let's put the camera here. Get some gloves because this is pure alcohol, 96% pure. So I can feel that the epoxy has become more soft, less hard, and it's getting in pieces, so it's breaking my hands. I still need to do it with care because I don't want to break the cable that's inside the epoxy. So hopefully I can get this to just free out from this kind of electric tape. Nice. The electric tape also wants to come free. Okay, yeah, it's breaking in pieces, so the epoxy is not dissolved as in it hasn't become liquid or anything like that, but yeah, out in one piece. So here's now the cable, the repair to say it so. Now let's get the electric tape out and see how it goes. And we still need to get rid of all this glue from the electric tape, so oh my, this is awful. What kind of what kind of bad repair is this shit I'm seeing here? Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is what has been done as a repair to say it so. Let's see if I can focus it on the camera. No, it doesn't want to focus. Let's use some zoom. Okay, so this is the repair that was done. It seems that it only has two cables, so two poles, positive and negative. So what I will do is get this properly covered with some think is some things that I don't remember the name that are for getting solder joints. Let me look for one. 1 second. Okay, this thing. Come on, focus. This thing. So I will use this thing that will give it a more proper structure. Also some thermoretractile. And clean all this cable and from all the gunk and dirt it has. Oh, this is awful. It will not be perfect. It still can get some enhancement to say it. So this is still fragile. This is a heavy part of metal. So this is heavy. And this is the problem here, that it just breaks here, and this is the ground plane. My camera doesn't want to focus today. Come on, focus. And this is the positive plane. But yeah, this will be fixable in a much better way. I may also put some enlargement or higher, how you say it, more strength cable, more stronger cable, sorry. A stronger cable, because this is just waiting to break again. So, see you later. Okay, the first thing to do is check if it's generating the proper voltage. So I'm going to plug it in. It's very dirty cable, a lot of dust and dirt. Plug it in. Okay, hasn't exploded. There's no smoke or anything. This is broken as well. See if this can be repaired anyhow. And I'm going to pick the multimeter, put it in voltage. I think it was 24 volts, so I'm going to put in 60 volts. Now see if there is voltage in these cables. Okay, I can see that there's 24 volts. So yeah, okay. This power adapter is working. I will now get rid of this blob of solder here and see if I can do it better using these joints, thermoretractable joints, thermoshrink cable. I'm not exactly sure of the term. You can correct me in the description, you know. And we also protect it with normal dielectric thermoretractile cable, or thermo-shrinking. Yeah, that's a difficult word for me to pronounce, sorry. So let's start with the soldering work. Finish. Now this is much better. It's still not very strong because there was not much cable left on the connector, but these connectors are quite difficult to find one. I will try to find one anyway to fix this power supply, and next step will be to clean out all the cable using alcohol and a lot of patience. And this will be not brand new but much better than before with the epoxy block. So this should give strength. Still don't pull from the cable, pull from the connector always, and with some lag I will find a connector. And this power supply will continue working with the iVolt it was included with, Apple 45 watts power adapter. So, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.